families to step up and figure out ways toward their self-sufficiency journey. And yet sometimes in the policymaking arena, we pull the rug right out from under them.
There was no place that actually had the knowledge in one place of what were all the benefits and how did they all interact.
We find that as income, so the wages people receive rise, the total resources that families have don't rise at that same pace. Only if they are receiving all the benefits, including housing, are they able to cover those living expenses.
If you are a glass half full type of person, then you'll say, hey, the safety net is particularly supportive for families with young children, but that only works if you receive housing. And we know that only 1 in 5 eligible households actually receive the housing. We want to make sure that the safety net provides the support necessary all along income levels.
I also think that this really shows that there's a call for the living wage, for real living wages. You work 40 hours a week at a minimum wage job, there's no way you're getting anywhere.
Unfortunately, social services programs, as was discussed earlier, are not designed to help the working poor. They're designed to assist the poorest of the poor.
How can families maximize the resources if no one really understands the whole picture?
It's no mistake that the doors don't open. It's embedded.
These findings is just like, it's going to help a lot of people because it's still helping me right now. And I'm just excited because, I want to go out and be an advocate, tell people like, hey, look at this.
One of the things that we're hoping for with the calculator is that we can really understand the size of the problem. What folks are navigating through will help drive policy conversation.
If you make some of these programs more accessible and easily available, they may be much, much less expensive than letting people slip through the cracks.
What we've learned from this pandemic is that from a government perspective, we can be nimble, we can be innovative, we can be quick in our response to support families, but it's for 12 months. And we know that families are going to be in crisis for much longer than 12 months.
How do we maximize existing dollars? And how do we assist individuals in navigating these systems so that we don't leave one penny on the table?
How do we make sure that those individuals benefit from the work that you all did? How do we help the federal government to move into 2021 so that policy is reflective of where children and families are today?
How do we make change happen? We apply every lever we can.